Check that your hands and knees are shoulder width apart, palms slightly in front of your shoulders. Tuck your toes, lift your knees off the mat and raise your hips up to the sky. Keep your knees bent to allow you to fully extend your spine. Spread your fingers and press evenly into both hands. Try to straighten your elbows and rotate your arms outward to feel a broadening across your upper back. Press into your palms, tilt your pelvis up and allow your spine to lengthen. Check that both knees point forward and allow your head to hang naturally between your arms. Walk out your feet to loosen up the backs of your legs. And shake your head to release any tension in your neck and shoulders.